Hello, friends. In this series, we'll be going to random spots and seeing what they got. In this video, we'll be going to one of my favorite places. You guessed it, Walmart. First up, we have a classic. We have the Zebco 33. This is a great budget pick. Yeah, classic. Next up, we have this Shimano FX. This is a pretty decent combo. However, it's largely plastic. If you spend a few dollars more, which is what I recommend, you can get the Shimano Sienna, which is favored by many people. Next, we have this Okuma Rocks combo. This is decent if you like Okuma. They make great rods, but I would go with the Shimano Sienna. Then we have this Lose. This one's hard to find online. I believe it's a Walmart exclusive. If you're looking to build your own combo, there's a lot of great picks here at this Walmart and Santee. We have these Lose Speed Sticks, great pick. As always, one of my personal favorites. We have the Berkeley Lightning Rod, great rod. And then any of these ugly sticks, Walmart generally has a good selection of ugly sticks. Those are good durable rods. Here we have some more Lose Speed Sticks. And then at the end, we have my personal favorite, this $3 bamboo rod. Great pick. Over to the reel cabinet, slim pickings here. There's a couple different choices. The best reel out of this whole cabinet would be the Shimano Sienna. However, there's a good cheap picks from Daiwa. Daiwa makes great reels all the way from like sub 20 to above only God knows. They make great reels from all different price ranges. My favorite being the Tatula, but they do not carry that here. So I would go with the Shimano Sienna. Over to the line section, as always, we're going to go with Power Pro for the braid, and then for the leader, we're going to go with P-line, baby.